So hello and welcome. Today Hyundai Santa Fe AC compressor clutch replacement with the coil and everything. This is the old unit. The bolts were missing. It made noise. This was where fell out. The bolt was missing and I couldn't find it. So this is the new kit. The bearing made noise. So first of all, let's take the wheel off. We have to access the AC compressor from this passenger side. Now, once you got the wheel off, there are 4 bolts which you have to remove. One is over there, 10mm, here, then up here, and another one is connecting towards there, where my finger is, if you can see. Undo them, then we can take the plastic off, and then we can reach to the compressor. Now, once you got the plastic cover off, the AC compressor sits over here. And as you can see, the plate top of it is missing. Like I told before, it was hanging down here between this plastic and this rolly, the pulley, and it's just flying around. This bolt were missing. Now, what we have to do, take the tension off. The tensioner sits over here. So now the 40mm wrench, take the tension down. Release the belt. Just now take this retainer ring off from the wheel itself. Now, in order to get this pulley off, apply pressure from 2 sides, to up and down. Play with it in case it doesn't want to come off easily. Maybe it's rusted like this one. Obviously, if you have small puller kit, then use that. We don't have it here with us right now. In my workshop there is. So we had to do this method. Put something between the upper and lower part and start playing until it pops out. It will come out, just take time. Once you got the pulley off, you can, if you want to remove the coil, there's a retainer ring inside here as well. The ground wire connects top of here in case you need, and the electrical wire goes front. In case you need to change and you have a problem with the coil, then there are 3 to 4 ohms the resistance which you can measure from the connector, and if it's okay, then it should be okay and working unit. If it's not, then replace it. And this kit, like I showed at the start of the video, comes all together with everything almost, without this bolt obviously. In this car, I'm not going to take this off. This OEM coil usually lasts quite longer than the aftermarket ones. So if it's working, then don't touch it. Now the shim goes inside here, the new unit obviously. And why the shim must be in the correct spec, because if its AC isn't engaged, then it's sitting in one place. But this pulley must move freely without making scraping sounds or something like that. At the same time, if you engage the AC, the clutch, the magnet behind here must be able to reach it, that clutch one, in order to pull it moving with this pulley together. The new wheel is now placed in. Now comes the tricky part. Since this bolt from here were missing, absolutely don't know where, as well the shim inside this clutch disc were missing, so we had to figure out with the new shim in order to make this this current wheel, in case we place it here, not touching this part of it. Putting the new shims behind this clutch disc, it must fit in here. Once you bolt it down, that it runs freely, and once you engage the AC, it is able to pull it close enough to start working. Something like that. My explanation will be a little bit off, maybe, but I hope you understand. I put the tolerances up here, on the screen, how and what should be. Pretty much the final assembly. I connected everything together. Now turn the car on, test it. Will the clutch engage? Will the AC start working? Are there any noises? If not, then we take this bolt off, add some thread locker onto it to make sure that this one won't escape like the old one will escaping. Super cold. So this problem is fixed for this time. The AC is on. So that's it. The AC compressor clutch has been changed. New bolt, new washer split behind there. Everything back together. Works nicely. No any scraping sounds anymore. The AC comes on, blows nice and cold. The clutch engages, disengages perfectly. So make sure you get the right shim in case you don't have the original one, like with this car. I had a problem with it. So thanks for watching.